Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Raw Cloud. Today I wanted to do like a follow-up of the last video I did about the past life, where I viewed myself in this past life off planet as this black female. Now, in that video, I could tell that, when I was this black female and I was hiding behind those large metal crates. Um, those crates, those storage crates were just like the ones that was in Sounds of Truth. The Now I just watched Sounds of Truth today with my wife, and for whatever reason, I got that same image when I viewed those crates. It was the same crates that they were having these children inside of. I don't know how many of you guys watched Sounds of Truth, but I just watched Sounds of Truth with my wife today. Now, normally I don't watch a lot of movies, I don't watch a lot of TV, but for whatever reason, it's just like I said before, things will line up when I want the truth to come to me. You know, it's like I'm being guided uh, to find out exactly what is going on. So it kind of correlates with yesterday video, and I talked about what those crates look like. Those storage crates that was huge, and they were metal. Well, these were the same storage crates that in Sounds of Truth that they were having these children in. So now I'm getting more. Something just fell off my wall. Anyway, now I'm getting more truth of what is going on. So that past life of me being that black girl, where I know they killed me for trying to escape, those crates that I was hiding behind are the same crates that they are taking children, young children, off planet into these colonies. So I'm going to show you a clip. I'm going to show you a clip at the end of this video, and I'll leave a link to that video yesterday so that you can listen to it and see how everything is lining up. Now, like I said, I just watched Sounds of Truth today with my wife, and I think it has everything to do with the same video that I did yesterday, where I was this black female in the past life, and I tried to escape or hide, and this telepathic female saw me, and I got that they killed me for trying to escape. So I love, honor, and respect all of you guys. Have a good day.